Enjoy our show. First of all, we take you to a modern school where a history lesson is taking place.
Jenny, you're not in your uniform. Good morning, class. In our history lesson today, we're going to learn about the life of a very famous lady called Florence Nightingale. Does anyone know who is Florence Nightingale was? Yes, sir.
I think Florence Nightingale was a music award long time ago.
Yes, yes.
I think she was a very important person.
Tinanong ko, meron sila mo.
Well, that was a long time ago. What was she doing? She was just a nurse.
Kaya ang kasi.
What do we remember Florence Nightingale for? She was just a nurse in a treatment ward. It was a long time ago. What is there to know? What should we remember Florence Nightingale for? She was just a nurse in a treatment ward. It was a long time ago. What is there to know? In those days, there were no modern hospitals. And let's so prepare her to die because of their wounds. Because we know that if they did not very look after properly.
Dito. Zoom out. Problema, poso mo. Tapos, ito.
Had a rich father and mother. She was given the name Florence because she was born while they were abroad in Florence, Italy, May 12, 1820. Her father was a religious man.
Sana.
In those days, slavery was still common.
Ito ata?
He worked hard to put an end to slavery. Florence was very close to her father. Her father treated her as his friend and companion. He showed her how to become a fine young lady, and he taught her Greek, Italian, Latin, French, German, history, philosophy, and mathematics.
My parents, yes, I had rice day to day. And I was working late at night on my slavery campaign.
What is slavery, Papa?
It's an evil thing that should be stopped. No one has the right to own a large human being and force them to work without any pay.
Yes, slavery sounds true. Shouldn't we show it, Papa? Do you like it?
Yes, but have you done the work that I teach you?
Yes, Papa.
So what are you doing today?
I have heard that it is hard to teach school, to work hard, to serve others. In fact, I think I would like to be a nurse that I can walk.
It's not possible, Florence. Only men can be a doctor, Papa.
I don't want to be a doctor. I want to be a nurse. A nurse.
Don't receive Florence.
Florence grew up to become an intelligent young lady. Her mother was a bossy woman. She wanted her fine young daughter to have a good husband and raise a family.
Dito na kuya. Ito tuloy lang. Wala na masakit.
It's time to consider your future, Florence. Yes, Mama. Here, how can you marry a rich man? I don't want to be married. Nursing is my destiny.
Hindi na tama.
Yes, she believes that God wants her to
Mga
care for
kapila
other
tayo.
people.
Yes, Papa. I want to serve you. I want to serve you. I want to serve education. That's what I want.